I know a lot of you wanted to see more of Chandigarh and how beautiful it is. Today is the weekend, it's Saturday, and there's a curfew in Chandigarh. That means you cannot go out of your houses. And it is so peaceful out. Like, there is nobody on the roads. There is minimal traffic. Only those who are out for work have stepped out of their homes, and all this is because of COVID. And I don't know when it will get over, but here are some clips of Chandigarh roads when they're empty. As you can see, not a lot of people are out, but Chandigarh is so beautiful even when it's empty. When there are people out, it becomes even more enjoyable. But like this, it is so serene, the environment is clean, and because of less traffic, there's less pollution. The air has become cleaner. It is so good. It is so peaceful.
I gave my heart away to all the dog hoes.
Best thing about these roads being empty is that you can go, like you can legit go, just like this. So we're outside Sukhna Lake, which is closed right now. Just take a look. If you come here during the week, it is packed with people from all around town. People come for jogs, runs, they do their exercises here because it's just a way to get out of the house. Amazing. It is packed, but because of the curfew, it is closed. It only opens from, I guess, 5 a.m. to 9 a.m. But yeah, that's about it. That's all you can. That's the time that you can come to Sukhna Lake. Otherwise, it's closed. The whole city can be empty. Like, everybody will stay at home. Every market will be shut. But the Sector 8 market will never ever be empty. There will always be people, no matter what. I don't know what it is with this market, but it's I don't know. It's crazy. People will come here, eat, chill, everything. Like, there are still cars here. I mean, I don't know what they're even doing here. People, it says that every restaurant will only be open for home delivery. No takeaways, no nothing. But still, I don't know why, but this market is always full of people. Like, I don't know, it's just something about this place that people just can't stay away. But it's just something about this market. I am here too. I'm not saying that I wasn't here. I am here too, because you just can't stay away. Like, if you're out in town, every person comes to this market and just, like, I don't know what it is. It's crazy. Even this market is empty. During the weekday when there's no curfew, it is like full. You can't even find parking here. But today it's empty. But the Sector 8 market is not. You still can't find parking because there are people coming, eating. It's just funny. Every market is empty in town, but the Sector 8 market is full. Why? Nobody knows. I'll show you one more place. So basically, Sector 8, 9 and 10 are the Gedi routes. Like, I told you about that Punjabi Gedi thing. That includes these three markets. Sector 8, Sector 9 and 10. 8 is full, 9 is empty, and I'll show you 10. 10 will also be empty, but that market is full. I don't know why. I guess I'll have to go and talk to people, like, why are they here? Why not any other place? Why Sector 8? See, I'll show you the Sector 10 market now. There's a few people here, but see, it's empty. It is empty. But that 8 market is full. I don't understand why. Just so funny. But yeah, once this curfew thing is over, I'll show you what these 3 markets are. Like it can become like a before and after. I showed you what it's like right now during the curfew. I'll show you what it'll be like when everything opens up. Means there's legit traffic jams. Okay, this is the back side of the Sector 10 market. It is full, like there are cars parked everywhere over here. People come, people go out for their gadies and everything, eat food. And see, it's empty. Everything is empty. There are 2 or 3 or 4 cars parked. And that also, it must be the owners. It won't even be customers. It'll be the owners who have their shops open. So this is the before or during. This is during the curfew. Like when everything is shut, people are staying home. Once everything opens up, I'll show you the difference and you won't believe it.